In this experiment, I've made a real-time clock using a DS1307 module, an Arduino board, a USB cable, and a PC. I've connected the GND pin of the RTC to the ground pin of the Uno board, the VCC pin to the 5 volts pin of the Arduino board, and I've connected the SDA pin of the RTC to the A4 pin of the Arduino board, analog pin of the Arduino board, and I've connected the SCL pin of the RTC to the A5 analog pin of the Arduino board. And so after running the following code, it displays the real-time clock in the serial monitor of the IDE.